Missed. It's day 3 of our trip to the Alps, and yesterday what we did is we started right up there. I think that's 3,300 metres. Today we've come to this one, which is 3,060 metres, according to that sign there. What we did want to do was head up to the top again, but we hadn't been on this lift before, so we thought I'd give this a try. And I think we're going to get pretty similar views. I'll show you down here. So we're going to drop down here and possibly come back up on this lift a few times, but we're going to get views over the tops of these mountains. We haven't got the cloud inversions today, but it's still really pretty. Or the other option is we're going to try and get to the chairlift, which is there, then we can get right up to the top and maybe we can look down there. Fermi. Yeah, they've cut across there, haven't they?
Yeah, shorter. This will take us down onto the
Sarenne. Should we go down here?
Yeah, I've got it now. Yeah?
Yeah. It's a little bit early to make the call, but I've got a feeling this is just going to be a skiing day and not much of a photography day. So maybe we'll get the camera back out this afternoon, but just going to focus on skiing for the rest of the morning. And if anything jumps out, like yesterday we saw all them cloud inversions, we'll stop and get some photos.
I think it's from here, don't you? I think it's from here, don't you? Okay.
Yeah. It looks quite nice in this valley, but this bit here is really flat. And if you stop, it's like a massive pain in the ass to get going again. Because we've got to go right down here and look at all them. Yeah, I don't really want to stop on this. So we're going to go down here and then there's a lift on the right hand side and we'll go back into Alpe d'Huez. Should we go on here? Oh, it's not open. You can pretty much just ignore all the plans that I just said. The ski lift wasn't open, so I think we've got to go down to this village and we've got to go on that one that drops down into the valley again. We might do 1 or 2 on this side while we're here. See if they're in the sun, because it's quite cool down here in the shade, but yeah, see what happens now. Missed.
Pardon?
I missed you.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
I thought you knew I'd gone.
No, with the snow.
Eh?
With the snow.
Oh, you're with the snow? All right.
Third line up, is that the journey?
Go right where them people are going, yeah?
Yeah. Made it across to the other side now, and we're going to start the journey, so I think we need to go up here. And what does this say? Yeah, we're going to go right here, and I think there's a red run, Alpe, which we're going to go down to the village on. And on the first day we went on that gondola, but there should be some more runs down here. It's quite pretty though. In my head, I thought we were going down there, but apparently it's up here.
That's work.
Yeah.
It doesn't work when there's lots of it. No, comfortable, isn't it?
Yeah, I can't sit down on these.
No. So yeah, we don't want to come down this till we go back.
Oh, there it is. It's on the right. It's coming in on the right hand side.
Okay,
So it's going up there.
Oh, it goes up there, so we don't have to go. We can just go back up there.
Where does that go?
To the top, and then we can ski down into our village. That's the one on the map. Seen that on the map?
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, not now. You keep going? Yeah. Just follow this down, this is only... Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Just bruised that. What? Fell on my phone.
Working. We're down near a place called Vuanjany. I don't know how you say it. But looking back here now, when we were looking at the clouds yesterday afternoon, I think it was the same valley. So we've got a nice view through here, and it's actually quite nice with these trees. There is a chairlift here, but I'm managing to get it cropped off about there. Then there's no man-made things, and there's a little bit of cloud in the valley, and you got all the trees in the bottom with the snowy peaks up on the top, and I think that's going to work out really nice. It's the first picture I've taken today. I always try and second guess what the comments are going to be, and I think some of you are going to be asking why I haven't taken more pictures today, and it has been pretty awesome, to be honest, but I'd rather stop when there's like something that makes me like stop on the side, like if there's like a cloud inversion down in the valley, because you could stop every 5 minutes, but this is a ski trip first, so I'd rather do more skiing and then stop when it's really good. But we're going to go up and down here a few times, see what's down there, and hopefully we're going to go back from the top of there, so we should get some big views later, and hopefully we'll get some more pictures too. No beginners, difficult wall. What's a difficult wall? Look at all the icicles, like a massive wall of them. Yeah. Wasn't very nice. We just come up onto the top now. We caught this big cable car and it goes pretty quick. I think they were saying it goes 40 kilometers an hour, and there was a lot of us in there. It's kind of weird. It's this massive box, and one comes up, one goes down, but we're getting the views over the top of the mountains. I'm quite liking this area here, so I'm going to go and stick on 135mm and pick out a shot there. There's also a load of cloud inversions over there, but this is a walkway leading up to it. You can see the drop down underneath this, but over here you get a really nice view down into the valley, and there's a load of clouds down there again, and I'm not too sure what it is down here, but I think I'm going to go for a wide shot here and then go for that other shot through that way. We've just come around a little bit from where we were stood a minute ago, and there's quite a nice area here with some rocks, so I think what we're going to do is stay here for a little bit, taking these views over the mountains that I just showed you, probably get a family photo, but I think this might be a good place to end it, because we're going to head back to the area around outdoors, and I think I've shown you that before, and today's video might be getting quite long, but this forecast for tomorrow keeps changing. Some of the reports say like this, others say it's going to be a blizzard, so we just wanted to come up here while it was nice. But I hope you like today's views. Not that much photography, but perfect day for skiing. But if you want to see more things like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. It's not bad, is it?